Take 2 pieces of tissue paper and fold over at an edge. Next, you're going to take your bottle and using the bottom of the first tissue paper, you're going to roll and wrap. Tug on the very bottom there and then secure in place with a piece of tape. Repeat this process with your second piece of tissue paper. Tug a little bit and keep it loose and then pull the second piece around, creating a cute flower top. Secure that bottom with a piece of tape. Next, you're going to add an embellishment of choice. These are taken from an old wreath. I like these kind because they have long stems and therefore are easy to tape to the edges. To finish it off, I'm going to add a piece of ribbon, a 2-inch silk navy ribbon with a double knot. And now I'm going to fold over the bottom and cut at an angle to create some pretty edges. Voila! Now you have a pretty packed and packaged present ready to gift your favorite person.